Hello guys, welcome to another video of solar powered. So today we are at new site of so we are going to commission a new solar plant over here. You know me, I am Shaik, and here Ranjit, my partner with me.
Hello.
So guys, continue with this video. I am going to the site and I will show you the location, and I will show you how the plant is going to be designed, and I am going to show you as well like for which purpose we are going to design the plant or we are going to install a plant. So guys, please stay tuned and let's continue with this video. Guys, we have almost reached to our location, and I'm going to show you the exact place where we are going to commission the plant, and to which industry we are going to give the renewable supply, because people are turning into green solutions, and this is we are a part of this particular green revolution over here in India. Guys, as you can see, this is the location where we are going to commission the 1 megawatt solar power plant. So this is the empty space you can see here. Here we are going to install the plant, and we are going to supply the power here. So now onwards, once the plant is commissioned, this complete industry is going to run by green energy. Guys, as you can see here, few of the materials have already reached to our location. These are the legs, the rafters, the purlin, the braces, and all this kind of material, screws and all has already reached to our site. So maybe by within another 2 or 3 days, once the planning is completed, once the plannings are approved, we'll start installing the plant on that particular location which I've showed you. So this is basically for this particular factory or this particular industry. It's an iron casting industry, so they are going to get powered by the solar plant which we are going to commission over there. So once that is commissioned, then this industry will become completely a green energy dependable industry, and their carbon footprint will become almost zero. So guys, this is all for this video. सो अब लोग अभी जो है 1-2-3 दिन में चालू करेंगे कमीशनिंग इसका, क्योंकि अभी प्लानिंग चल रहा है, थोड़ा लैंड्स को हम लोग रेडी कर रहे हैं उस हिसाब से. तो वंस एवरीथिंग इज़ रेडी एंड वन वी स्टार्ट इंस्टॉलिंग और कमीशनिंग आवर प्लांट, सो daily basis per day we'll be showing you how we are commissioning the solar plant, and we'll let you know like what are the steps and what are the different aspects we need to look while commissioning a solar plant. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel if you want to know like how we are going to commission the plants, and for daily updates like each and every day I'll be giving updates on this particular plant activities, what is happening, which all works are going on. I'll be uploading videos about that. So if you want to follow that, guys, please subscribe and like, share. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.